The GasMax KB Series is a commercial doner kebab machine, also known as a vertical broiler, designed for high-volume use. It is available in electric, natural gas, and LPG, giving you the flexibility to suit different shop and installation requirements. For gas models, it also offers 3 to 5 burner configurations, helping you choose the right capacity based on customer flow and serving demand. With adjustable heat zones and high-efficiency stainless steel reflectors, the GasMax KB Series ensures more even heating across every layer of meat, improving both cooking efficiency and consistency. More burners also mean higher heat output, faster serving speed, and stronger peak hour performance. Built with a heavy-duty body and an integrated drip tray, it is durable, easy to clean, and designed to reduce daily maintenance pressure. Whether you are preparing doner kebab, shawarma, or gyro, the GasMax KB Series delivers reliable performance for takeaway shops, restaurants, and commercial kitchens. GasMax KB Series, built for real commercial performance.